Hello all. So you might be wondering what is this current affairs. So this particular current affairs magazine which we created for the prelims 2025 and mains 2025 will 100% help you for clearing your prelims as well as your mains. Minimum to minimum I am challenging and I am very confident. Why? Because we as a 6 people sat together since last 2 months to come up with this output which is called as current affairs magazine, which will be useful for your UPSC, TSPSC as well as APPSC group 1 exams as well as group 2 exams. But this will be immediately helpful for your prelims and mains of UPSC. So this is the current affairs magazine which is covering from May 2024 to February 2025. Then what about April and May, you can ask me. For March and April you can ask me. For March 2025 and April 2025 we are providing the number. If you had paid this book, we will be providing you the PDF of March as well as April as well. Why you should read this book? This you have to identify. Number 1, lucid and simple language, lucid and very simple language, covered complete current affairs from May 2024 to April 2025. For March and April we will be providing in PDF format. This is the booklet of hard copy, and subject wise current affairs with images and maps we are providing, and content is in pointer format. This pointer format content will help you a lot and exclusive useful for any competitive examination in India, which is India's current affair this particular book is. So hence this particular book of current affairs magazine will be helpful for your upcoming examinations. So how this particular book is going to be, I will take a few examples and I will explain you. For example, this is a page number 1. If you see, it is a page number 1. In this particular page number 1, how the content is there, I will choose randomly. So starting with polity, for example, how we made the content. This is the information which was there in the news items. This heading in the index, if you see the heading, this is as it is there in the newspaper. For example, randomly I will take the example of the Ministry of Women and Child Development has released the National Curriculum for Early Childhood Care and Education 2024, which is called as Adarshil. So everything about Adarshil is present in this particular topic. So in this way, what are all the news items were been there from May 2024 till April 2025? In this particular booklet you will be getting it. So in this way, all the polity topics we covered month wise, so that you no need to worry that I didn't covered or I covered it or I never covered it. In this way, for every subject 60 topics, not more than that, 60 topics are there. For example, I will show you the content. See, I discussed about National Curriculum for Early Childhood and Education, the top 5 facts for prelims which are useful for your prelims, the major curriculum, major points, major features which are with respect to this, and other than that 3 extra points. In this way, prelims point of view and mains point of view, what we need to remember, in this way we had made this particular magazine. So this magazine is going to be the one-stop solution. This magazine is going to be the one-stop solution for your preparation. For example, if you see comparison of Indian and American Vice President, why? Because presidential elections happened. So President and Indian Vice President, how to remember, we have in a image format. And similarly, if you see, I will go for another subject. In news, recently, Zimbabwe has introduced JIG, Zimbabwe Gold, a gold-backed currency aimed at its monetary crisis marked by hyperinflation. What is this JIG? So that terminology also we are covered and everything has been covered with respect to it. So if you read this book, I am very sure that it is going to help for your prelims 2025 as well as main 2025. This book is available in Amazon. This book is available in nearby all the bookstalls of Hyderabad. If anyone want this books, compulsory you can call us at 9400 939 as well. Thank you. All the best. Jai Hind.